Top 6 Best Car Seats for Large Dogs. Embarking on road trips with your furry friend should be a joy, not a hassle. Discover the top 6 car seats for large dogs, each designed to provide unparalleled comfort and safety for your canine companion. This guide will help you make an informed decision to ensure your large dog travels in style, comfort, and security. Welcome to Auto V Fix, our YouTube channel exclusively dedicated to all things automotive. In today's video, we'll be delving deep into the top 6 best car seats for large dogs. One, K&H Pet Products Bucket Booster Pet Seat. Elevate your dog's travel experience with the K&H Pet Products Bucket Booster Pet Seat. Key features: elevated design for better visibility, contoured back for a secure fit in vehicle seats, available in 2 sizes to accommodate different dog breeds, machine washable cover for easy maintenance. This seat provides a secure and elevated spot for your large dog, ensuring they enjoy the scenery while staying safely restrained. The booster's design helps reduce motion sickness by allowing your dog to see out the window. 2. Pet Safe Happy Ride Deluxe Booster Seat. Pet Safe Happy Ride Deluxe Booster Seat takes the lead. Key features: plush quilted interior for maximum comfort, sturdy internal frame for added safety, adjustable straps for a secure fit in various vehicles, built-in tether to attach to your dog's harness. With its plush quilted interior and sturdy frame, this seat not only keeps your large dog secure, but also provides a cozy spot for them to relax during the journey. 3. Snoozer Lookout 2 Pet Car Seat. Crafted for snooze-worthy comfort, the Snoozer Lookout 2 Pet Car Seat offers a plush and supportive haven for your large dog. Key features: foam form construction for durability and comfort, raised design for a better view, connection strap to secure to vehicle seatbelt. Available in multiple colors and fabrics, its lookout design allows dogs to enjoy the view, making every trip a delight. The high walls provide a sense of security for anxious dogs. 4. Kurgo Skybox Booster Seat. For the adventure-ready canine, the Kurgo Skybox Booster Seat is a game changer. Key features: waterproof and easy-to-clean exterior, reversible pad for different seasons, adjustable headrest straps for various vehicle types, includes a tether that attaches to dog harnesses. With a durable and waterproof design, this seat ensures your large dog can join you on outdoor escapades while staying safe and comfortable. 5. Devoted Doggy Deluxe Dog Booster Car Seat. Treat your dog to on-the-go luxury with the Devoted Doggy Deluxe Dog Booster Car Seat. Key features: plush fleece lining for ultimate comfort, collapsible metal frame for easy storage, adjustable straps for a secure fit, built-in safety leash. Its plush fleece lining and adjustable straps provide a secure and comfortable environment, making every car ride a pampering experience. 6. A4 Pet Lookout Dog Booster Car Seat. Experience compact convenience with the A4 Pet Lookout Dog Booster Car Seat. Key features: foldable design for easy storage, reinforced structure to support up to 300 lbs, doubles as a bed when not in the car, side pockets for storing dog essentials. This seat offers a snug and secure space for your large dog, perfect for those looking for a space-saving yet comfortable solution. In the world of car seats for large dogs, these top 6 picks redefine comfort and safety. When choosing the best seat for your furry friend, consider factors such as: 1. Your dog's size and weight. 2. Your vehicle's size and seat configuration. 3. Your dog's temperament, anxious, adventurous, etc. 4. Climate and intended use. Remember, while these seats provide comfort and some level of safety, they should always be used in conjunction with a proper dog harness attached to the vehicle's seatbelt system for maximum protection. And that concludes our discussion on the top 6 best car seats for large dogs. If you found these tips helpful, Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover, or if you have experience with any of these dog car seats. Until next time, stay safe and happy, driving with your furry co-pilots.